Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing mixed on Tuesday. Shares in consumer services, utilities, as well as the banking sectors, they closed lower, while shares in retailing, tech, hardware and equipment and materials, they gained traction. While on the economic front, market U.S. service PMI increasing to 56.8 in May from 54.6 the previous month. Market U.S. composite PMI increasing to 56.6 in May, and ISM non-manufacturing increasing to 58.6 in May. This all while advancers just beat out decliners. 51% of SP 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Facebook said it had data sharing partnerships with Chinese consumer device makers Huawei, Lenovo, OPPO, and TCL, therefore escalating concerns that the company has consistently failed to tell users how their personal information flows. And speaking of Asia, the markets mostly up today. The Nikkei up 0.38%, the Hang Seng up about 0.5%, China's CSI 300 down 0.21%, but South Korea's Kospi up 0.25%. European markets in consolidation, and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. In terms of expectations today, Brown-Forman fourth quarter EPS seen at 22 cents. While on the economic dock at 8:30 in the morning, we have the April trade balance, and that's expected at negative $49.6 billion. While in the markets, the SP 500 sees the upside prevail, and we start with that in focus as the relative strength index advocates for further advance. Both rising 20-period and 50-period moving averages maintain the upside bias. Long positions above 27.39 are favored, with targets at 27.60 and 27.73 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, sees further advance, and the Dow Jones sees the upside prevail.